let's talk about the elephant in the room, or hopefully the room without the elephant in it. Your environment where you record is so important because what you put in equals what you get out. Now, you can always fake some things and enhance some things, and you can get rid of certain sounds, and you can get rid of breaths and things like that. And we'll cover that in the software section of this program. But your environment that you record in needs to have a couple of characteristics to it. First and foremost, it needs to be quiet. The quieter, the better. It also needs to have low echo. Low echo is really, really important because while you may have learned to tune out echo over time as you have been in a room that has a lot of echo, you stop listening to it, but the microphone never stops listening. It's always listening. So if there's an echo, if your voice goes out and then it comes back, the microphone will actually pick it up. Now you see me pointing down here because I actually have a microphone off screen. The microphone will actually pick up everything in the room. The more higher end the microphone, the more it's going to pick up. But the compensation is the lower end the microphone, the more you need to project and focus. And therefore, if you're in a room with a lot of echo, you're going to get more echo. So your environment for recording should be quiet and still. If you got kids, which I do, I understand, you don't want to record when kids are around. Sorry, because they'll hear children playing in the background and you can't get rid of that kind of noise. If you have people above you, don't record when they're stomping around. Just kind of, pick a good time to record. So there are a couple of things that you can do to secure your environment. If there's anything that creates noise, turn it off. If you have to record in your kitchen, find a different place to record. If you have to record in the great hall of your home, find a different place to record. You don't want to record in a room with echo, and you don't want to record in a room that has a lot of things happening, like TVs and stereos and fans and whatnot and what have you. Finally, let's talk about something that you always experience but seldom pay attention to, and that is the hum and the sound of air. So a lot of homes and a lot of businesses and a lot of places that you might find to record are going to have this white noise in them. And that white noise is generally caused by a heater, an air conditioner, an HVAC unit, something like that. And it's constantly pushing air through the room. Now, we have lived among these circumstances for so long that we have just learned to tune them out. If you walk into an office building, there's almost always a white noise going on, and it's the HVAC, the HVAC that sits on the roof and pushes air through the building, keeps it circulating. While our ears have tuned those things out, the microphone will always pick it up. Now, there are things we can do to get rid of it, but you want to try to avoid it whenever possible. I am currently in a room that has a computer running over here in the background, and that computer is actually putting out a hum. And I'll get rid of that hum in post-production because I know what I'm doing and I know the limits of my microphone. But you want to find a place that's quiet. It is so important to find a place that's quiet. So let's go back over that. Number one, no kids playing, no dogs barking, no cats meowing, no gerbils running around creating noise. You want a room that has low echo or no echo if possible. You want a place that doesn't have power or powered things going on like refrigerators and microwaves and televisions and stereos. You want to make sure that your room is settled and still. And then finally, you want to make sure that you don't have any HVAC, air conditioning, or heater going off. No fans, nothing that is circulating air. It is really, really important. So once you get all of those things designed, once you get your room set up how you want it, and you find your place that you're going to record, go on to the next video.